All right, y'all, we're gonna get right into it. So we already talked about Nevaeh and NBA YoungBoy situation on the last video. So now let's fast forward a little bit and let's see what Nevaeh had to say in response to this video that they done put out of her basically going off on him and exposing their relationship.
Potatoes. Now let's get into it.
When Drewski had his tour for real, because I wanted to go today. Somebody tell me why Blueface on love with his baby mama was just getting that booty fingers the other day. Oh my God! Bro! I don't understand it. Bro, talk about he's faithful. Look at her front coochie.
She was getting a lot of backlash for this.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. Let's go back to where we at. Let's go back to right here. I'm gonna be honest. It sounded like she said Blueface. We about to listen to it one more time, but it sounded like she said Blueface and then something about fingers in the you know what. Let's play that one more time.
Drewski had his tour for real, because I wanted to go today. Somebody tell me why Blueface on love with his baby mama was just getting that booty fingers the other day. Oh my God! Bro! I don't understand it. Bro, talk about he's faithful. Look at her front coochie.
All right. I don't know if this. Okay. It sounded like she said something about Blueface baby mama. So I don't know what's going on, y'all. I don't know if she talking about Blueface baby mama is supposed to be connected to NBA and she talking about NBA, or she talking about the baby mama, or she talking about Blueface. I don't know, but that's people have been talking about that. I'm gonna try to find it a little bit more and see if I can get a little bit clearer than this.
Had enough. If y'all not aware of how this mentality is, then I don't think y'all understand. Maybe y'all just as retarded as her. And not only that, trailer park. I mean, yeah, I used to visit my daddy, and he lived in the trailer, but I used to go. Since y'all are wondering so bad, he said no. He definitely said, I'm not drinking, so y'all can keep talking all y'all want. Do y'all know what drinking is like?
I'm drinking because I'm not pregnant, so I can drink.
Excuse me.
And I'm not alcoholic, so I can drink.
Do I have an open invitation saying use me? You
give me a lot of things.
Yeah? Okay.
Not a
Blueface, right?
Not a headache.
Yeah? Yeah, I know that's right. You like?
Oh, no. I don't know if any of them are worth it.
Name ringing, gang banging, gun slinging, chain takers. I dope boy life. Name ringing,
I ain't gonna front y'all. It's very hard to find a video with her as far as clarifying what she said right there, but we can move on. This is supposed to be a little clip of FaceTime. All right. I guess this is her socials, and then it's a FaceTime of NBA YoungBoy and Neveah. So it's official. That's her. Period. I need to see if I can find her on this social media, y'all. Nevaeh Shakira or something like that. She called herself blowing him a kiss on here. So let's see.
name ringing, gang banging, gun slinging, chain takers. I dope boy life.
It says, I was wondering where she came from. She one of them. Oh, now it makes sense. Bro. Send me this pose. Stop cuffing. Simple. Okay. So supposedly one of NBA's young ladies. And that's, there you go. Cat out the bag now.
You told me you changed your name. You told me you changed your name.
This bitch is fucking
Everybody know that YoungBoy is married.
so fucking bad. I've been cooking his food for years. Fuck you.
She said she been cooking Blueface food. That's her response.
Since y'all are wondering so bad, he said no.
That's old.
Everybody's trying. It's too much. They're really good band. They have good sessions. Good ass line.
I don't want that. I'm gonna come
Somebody said you'll never be robbed.
on here with some words of his. Oh my God.
We gonna get to the realness, y'all. She's supposed to be pregnant, y'all. She's supposed to be pregnant. They still together even after this NBA situation because the post just came out of them. And we can check it out real quick.
Last night.
the game? Is he dating the game? Is he dating the game?
She showing off her watch. People was basically saying, "Girls, you drinking?" She like, "Nah." She's supposed to be pregnant with Blueface baby, y'all. So this is gonna be baby mama number 3.
Dating Blueface.
She's dating me.
I should have got a shower with you. Am I dating Blueface?
She's dating me.
Or is Blueface dating the game?
Is he dating the game?
Is he dating the game?
5 years.
Look like she got a watch, and old girl in the background said they've been together 5 years.
The Blueface dating everyone is my man. No, baby, I am the main. That's my man. I know, bro. I ain't worried about nothing. Yes, I remember Brittany Purcell. Yes, I do. I remember that I used to stay at night at your crib because I didn't want to be at Mama house. And y'all used to have cats and kittens and everything.
Everything's going fine. You're gonna need
A box and a bowl.
And I remember a lot of things. Does it at least give you money? What? You think I'm gonna mess with money? Oh, this is enough right here. I don't even got salt. Show me your money. Show me your money.
I got it on her right now.
Can I pay after?
Exactly.
I guess it's the problem that Carlissa is having. Somebody get in the bag. I mean,
She's rich. That means I'm rich. I don't know.
Be your friend.
She lost her mind. Cause let her tell it. She'll tell the world, I got money and I'm rich too and I pay for everything. I guess we just both do that though.
I'll tell you that I'm broke though.
Wait. Well, I'm rich in the soul. I ain't never broke, baby. I'm rich in the soul. Watch your mouth. What's your zodiac sign? What's your zodiac sign? I already knew that though.
they say, "Oh wait, didn't she already got you know what from YB?"
I just wanted you to tell them. I just don't like saying it. I deserve so much more. Thank you. I highly appreciate that. But you know what? You know what you deserve? To mind your business, my sweetheart. I love you. King Harry.
She said, "Mind your business." Everybody trying to see if she pregnant. Everybody saying pregnant question mark. We gonna see if she answer, y'all. We gonna see.
Harris. Tell King Harris I'd like to meet him. Because I'm the most beautiful King Harris walking this earth. They call me King. I don't look nothing like that.
Oh, they call her King Harris. Okay. I see y'all.
Girl, Tiny Son, somebody that I used to love Escape. Who can I run to share this simple space?
They also brutal in them comments.
And I need love. Girl, why you pregnant? Why you saying you pregnant? Shit. It ain't my man. Why would I care? Besides that, pregnant? No. He just got out. And how I'm a trap?
We got ice cream.
No, ice cream. I got
I can't.
She said she not pregnant, and she said he ain't my man. I'm assuming she talking about Blue. So they might be broken up. Y'all know this toxic.
You heard me? Where's your child father with his baby? What y'all think of it? Just that the daddy just left? Baby daddy love me and I don't love him. I let him belong where he belong with his baby. I don't believe
Oh, maybe she talking about the baby daddy.
even none of that ain't even co-parenting.
So it's true. The baby, there is an extra baby. So Blueface is also a stepdad.
You do your due diligence and I'ma do mine. Hello, you be a daddy and I'ma be the best mother that there is.
Yes, you're gonna be right back.
That's the best thing on earth.
I'm gonna be right back with it, okay? The boxes?
Oh, boxes? Yeah, we have boxes.
You need the boxes?
Yeah.
Blueface is using you. How could the man use me? How could he use me?
Yeah,
What's the use?
That's just how beautiful she is.
Talking about use me. They call me ugly.
You think I'm... No, you're really pretty.
You're not ugly. Girl, you're not listening to them. I'm telling you, they are.
You didn't say nothing.
The haters are real.
Somebody else called me ugly that you know?
Do y'all think she gonna end up pregnant, y'all?
The oldest.
I'm 24.
20.
She's 23.
We're still young.
That's why every woman deserves their space and man. space, baby. I don't like to be up under a person 94/7. That breastfed for 3 years. You think I want to be up under 24/7?
You're gonna need another.
Not 3 years.
I love being with my man, though.
Yeah, sure.
What y'all think? Neveah in the circus. She in the circus. Let's see this recent post that they done did, or this live or something. I think they did something. They say Neveah crashed out on a new girl at a boat party. Blueface brings Neveah home to comb her hair.
I don't do none of that lame ass shit. Good riddance.
Y'all know sea moss is nasty. It tastes like a big guac applesauce, but I'm with applesauce in it. So,
all right, y'all. There's more drama to come. There's more tea to come related to the situation. Neveah did have a couple comments for Hazel E and the things that Hazel E said, but we just gonna have to get to that later because we gotta get to the next best thing.
When Drewski had his tour for real, because I wanted to go today.
Somebody tell me why Blueface so in love with his baby mama was just getting that booty fingers the other day. Oh my God! Bro! I don't understand this. Bro, talk about he faithful. I was just in that ass. Look at her front coochie.
One more time.
I was just in that ass. I was just in that ass. Look at her front coochie.
Now we got more clarity. Now she said she was just in that ass. Now who is she talking about? Is she talking about the girl, the baby mama, or is she talking about? Okay. All right, so that's it. All right, y'all. That was a bit much, but next let's hit your girl Krishan.